Okay, it's recording.
Hi guys, this is for the pivot gearbox change. First of all, we need 4 Allen wrench. So we got a 3mm Allen wrench, 4mm. This is an 1/8 inch, and then we got a 5/32. So since you guys have the Dunkar motor, you guys will have this setup right here. So first is the 5/32, unscrew the 4 screws, and then there will be a set screw here. Unscrew that too. That one will be using the 1/8 inch one, and then use the 5/32 again and unscrew 2 of this. That's for that's a 1032 screws. Okay, and then just remove the screws here, put it to the side, flip it to the side, and then there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1032 screw. Use the 1/8 inch one and break that loose. So I only have 4 here, but there should be 6 in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So flip the whole motor assembly back up. So once you remove all the screws, the whole assembly would just pop off like that, and then you could remove the motor portion right here, and it will just work on this part. So the good thing about this is, so let me just put the base plate to the side. Okay, so you could easily remove the inline gearbox right here and do not touch this portion. And we'll mainly focus on the gearbox, the 90-degree gearbox. So if you flip to the side, you have to use a 3mm Allen wrench. Okay, this will remove the bracket. I'll do it to the other side too. This will remove the other bracket. Okay. And then if you flip to this side, you will see this set screw. This set screw will be, we'll use the 4mm and remove that set screw. So this is essentially a false cover. And then inside of it, you'll have a similar coupler to this. You'll be using a 3mm Allen wrench and try to, let me see if I can show you. Right there. Can you see? Right there. You guys can see better, but there we go. That's the Allen wrench. Yep, that's the 3mm Allen wrench. So once you use the Allen wrench to unbolt it, this coupler will just come out. Okay, so that's how you fully disassemble a 90-degree gearbox.